Hi everyone. So I got a couple packages, and this is my trade package from JustNotBrandon, and I'm pretty excited to open this. To be honest, I'm not sure what we done quite a bit of trades. I think this might be my 5th time or 6th time. Sorry, I forgot. And so I'll open the first one. Sorry, I still can't find my tripod. So. He gave me, okay, I'll show that later, but he gave me this album. So the first item that I got is this. This is Speed's album, and this one is called, so it's Superior Speed, and it's a Speed, Leon, Owen, sorry, Owen, and alright, so here's the CD. It's pretty cool. I love the weight. I love the box that it's in. Okay, so, and then it comes with like the sleeve. So, that part. And I guess this smush thing. The lyrics. And there's something here. Yeah, like a poster. Okay, so it comes with the folded poster. I think it's double-sided, and it says it's over. It's pretty cool. And there's the back. Ricky, no. Alright, here's the back of the poster. Hopefully you can see it well. And it says, "That's my fault." So that's really cool. I really like this poster. These are here. I'm not really sure what these are. Maybe like little, I think there might be like a stack of postcards. Ooh. Well, it's kind of like the B1A4 cards, or the BAP. Well, let me just take this. I don't know the names of the members yet, so I'm not sure who's who, but they're pretty cool. They're really nice. The quality, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to explain it. It's like, not really like matte. I don't know how to explain it. That's really, I like I like how the postcard's made. Sorry, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not like, glossy, but it's not like matte. I forget, but, sorry, I'm not sure how to explain it. That's really cool. Like them a lot. It's pretty cool. I haven't seen an unboxing of this. This is my first time, so this is pretty cool. Jungwoo. Let's see if I can. This one, I'm sorry, there's no name. This one. And this one is also Jungwoo. Taewon or Taewon? I'm not sure. Oh, I think these are all him. And okay, so the same one. Woo Taewon. Okay. Yuhwan. Pretty cool. I really like this. I'm a fan of photo books, but these are pretty cool still. And then this one is same Kim Yuhwan. Taeha. Pretty cool. They put a lot of effort into this album. That's pretty cool. And then again. Okay. Then we have, oh, let's look at Oteha. Okay, then we have Jungkook. Jungkook, not Jungkook. Jungkook. And then Sejun. Park Sejun. Then we have Sungmin. Cho Sungmin. Second. Poster checklist and cover. And also he gave me he gave me all the photo cards that come with it. So I'm not sure who this is because I'm not really familiar with the members yet. Okay, so here it is. And the member is Jungwoo. Okay, so here's the card. And the member is Jungwoo. Yeah, so thank you for that. And also another part of the trade, Changmin's summer photo card. And thank you so much for this. That's a Shinki one, Summer Dream. So I really appreciate it. He also gave me an extra, and it's in the other package, so I'll open it and show you guys what he gave me. The extra I received is this Gold Midnight Sun CD, and pretty excited. A little bit of damage, so I guess the mask kind of fell off. That's no problem. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful extra. And it's pretty cool, how they designed it. I wanted this album for a while because I don't have it yet, so I really appreciate it. It's pretty cool of design. It's pretty unique how they made it. At first when I saw it, I thought it was like a flat, but like when I first saw this album, I always thought it was flat. And I was pretty amazed that they actually put chains on it and like a metal mask. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I remember when they used to sell gold ones for a lot of money. People like paid a lot for it, but then people started listing it more and stuff. I feel kind of bad for the people that paid a lot for it. But here is the CD. And the photo book. I'm just gonna go through it pretty fast. I still have to get Beast, Fiction Fact. That's probably like one of my favorite albums. Fiction is really an awesome song. Yeah, so yeah, so I definitely have to get that. I definitely have to get that CD. Yeah, so, I think I skipped a few. That's really awesome. Alright, so from an awesome trade with JustBrandon Lee, I got the Speed album, the Jungkook photo card, and Changmin Summer Dream photo card. Big extra from him, the Midnight Sun Gold Edition. Yeah, so thank you so much for trading with me. I really appreciate it, and it was really fun. And I really hope your item comes to you quickly. And thanks again for trading. You're awesome. So have a nice day. Bye.
비춰줘 내 곁엔 언제나